I'm sure once in a while you make eggs that look like this. You are not alone. You either have this or you have that. I'm going to show you 3 simple strategies that will ensure you always end up with perfectly peeled eggs. Rule number one, drop onto boiling water. You can choose to combine water, eggs and set on heat, but that will always get you into trouble. Don't do it. Rule number 2, allow the eggs to cook properly. Your eggs are ready in 10 minutes. You don't want to overcook, you don't want to undercook. Lastly, rule number 3, drop into cold water. This method is called fast cooling. It helps separate the shell from the inner membrane. Or run tap water over them, immediately you turn off the heat, and those eggs will thank you. Once you follow these easy steps, you will be good all the time. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'll be dropping videos every Tuesday, and I'm sure you're gonna love them.